There are 5 basic sentence types, and the first kind is the intransitive sentence. The sentence gets its name from its intransitive verb. For a verb to be intransitive, it cannot have an object. In other words, the verb conveys an action like swimming or snoring, but that action doesn't connect to an object. Look at these 3 intransitive type 1 sentences. Fish swim, John snores, a happy dog barked loudly. Let's diagram each one. First, fish swim. As always, we begin with a clause line, and then we bisect that line to separate our subject and verb. We identify the subject, the agent performing the action in this sentence, which is fish, then we identify the verb, the action performed, which is swim. We place each word in its appropriate spot on the diagram. The next example is similar. John snores. We begin with our clause line, bisect it to divide subject and verb, then identify our agent, John, and the action, snores. Once again, there's no object, making this an intransitive sentence. Our last example is a bit more complicated. A happy dog barked loudly. Let's begin in the same way, with a clause line that we bisect to divide our subject and verb. Our agent in this sentence, the one performing the action, is dog. Our main verb then is what the dog does, which is barked. The 3 other words are, in this case, all modifiers, so called because they modify or give us more information about other words in the sentence. A and happy modify dog, answering the questions which dog and what kind of dog. Loudly modifies barked, answering the question how did the dog bark. When we diagram this, we add in our subject and verb like normal, but we also draw lines connected to the clause line, beginning at the section of the sentence the words modify. Then we place the modifiers beneath the words they have a relationship with.